Economics is a social science that deals with the study of man's activities and efforts to use limited resources for the satisfaction of the unlimited needs of man. Social science, it is the study about society, because it deals with the study of human's life and how he lives with other men. Society, it is a group of people who have common objective, race, goals, and interest. Man's activities, individuals strive hard to accomplish their responsibilities, duties, and functions in society and to satisfy their needs. Limited resources scarcity is the main cause of conditions in an economy. This is the reason why man continues his struggle for survival. We can say that economics is the blood that gives life to every action of man in his society. Main two branches of economics. Microeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individuals and firms in making decisions on the allocation of limited resources. The study of activity in individual markets studies the actions of individuals, firms, and households. Microeconomics examines how the decisions and behaviors of economic agents studies the effect the supply and demand for goods and services, which determines prices. Issues examined: poverty, monopoly, big business empires, agricultural problems, labor unions, and etc. Macroeconomics is the field of economics that studies the behavior of the economy as a whole. The study of economy as a whole answers these questions. What factors determine the total level of production? Should the government increase taxes? How will an increase in money supply affect the economy of the nation? It analyzes the following: GDP growth, inflation, unemployment, international finance. Economic groups, example is Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation or APEC. 5 fundamental emphasis or concerns of economics. Number 1. Production, it is the creation or the addition of utility. Utility or usefulness or the ability of a good to satisfy a want. Number 2. Distribution. It is the allocation of the total product among the factors of production. Factors of production includes land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Number 3. Consumption. It is the use of a good or service. Considered as the most important function in economics because it is the ultimate end of economic utility. Number 4. Goods and services. Economic goods come in a form of wealth or income. Economic services are part of income. Number 5. Public finance. Study of expenditures and revenues of the government raises money through taxation, investment, and borrowing. The importance of economics. Leaders of the country use economic data to formulate programs and laws that would help in improving the state of the economy. Reports coming from government agencies as well as the opinions of experts in the field of economics regarding such reports help citizens better understand important economic issues. Personally, one can use economic knowledge in many ways. It can be used to understand events in the community and in the country, and use this understanding to come up with meaningful insights about such events. On the personal level, we can understand the decisions made by the members of our family related to selecting a job, spending their income, and satisfying needs. Also, economics serves as a tool that one can use in deciding the amount of time to allocate for studying or for leisure.